Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making.
Today I'm going to make Phirni recipe. For that here I've taken 1 liter of full fat milk, reduce on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the rice. I have taken 50 grams of Basmati rice, wash and soak for 2 minutes. Do not overwash it. Now strain and spread it for air dry. Now you can notice that our milk has been reduced into half. Now in this add saffron and bring it to a boil. Our rice has been dried properly. Now we will grind them. The grind should be neither too coarse or not too fine. Now we will add some cooled milk to the rice. Now mix this mixture and keep it aside for a while. Now in the milk add some cardamom powder. At this point of time add our rice and milk mixture, stir immediately to avoid curdling of rice. Once the rice has been cooked properly, add sugar. Remember, the Firni is neither too runny nor too thick. Now add a pinch of salt to balance flavors. Add 1.5 teaspoon of Kewra water. To set our Firni, here I have taken 2 steel bottoms. You can also use terracotta dishes. This will absorb the water from the Firni, allowing it to dry up and set up nicely. Now allow the Firni to set in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So here we go, our Firni is ready to serve.